We are off.
It's not here.
We are up on the train. We are up on the train.
I hope we don't get
Oh
hurt.
my goodness. Imagine if we fell off. We are up on the train. We are up on the train. See you later, people.
I thought town was that way.
It is that way. We're going that way.
He's going to turn around.
Oh.
You can't just drive through the car.
We are off on the train. We are up on. He's got a whistle. He's whistling away up there. It's probably to keep him awake because he's nearly dead.
Wangy bit.
Oh,
Oh, should we go this way?
it's not that way.
Oh my god, we're going the wrong way!
The scenic
Detour.
route.
No, surely he's taking us.
Going this way last time.
He's taking us on a little detour. Oh, we can look at all things along here.
I wanted to bring that side so I could just dig.
You'll be that side in a minute when we turn around.
Oh yeah. So I can just dig over there. Well, I think I can. If I go down here, then I can
You see the
put
big
thing there,
top of the
can't I?
circus?
Huh?
You see the big top of the circus over there?
Sit on your seat, please. We are up on the train. We are up on the train.
Are we even going to turn around?
Probably.
Hopefully.
Town is that way.
When we get to Brighton.
Oh, is the Brighton this way? Way more better than
Here we go. Here's where you
Train running. Card or cash taken? Card or cash taken? It's taking the card or the cash?
Wait, look. On the train.
Oh, there's the Butlins. The Butlins.
You want to be in the shade?
It's a nice little breeze. Oh, some sailing boats out there, look.
I should have run the
Baby Baker. You're so cool, dude.
This side's not working.
Yeah, that's because it goes like that.
Is Dad going to let me have copies of this?
Right then, how am I going to copy it?
Might have to get a new hard drive.
You're not getting one from that.
Yeah.
No,
What hard drive?
and then I'll give it to Daddy. Put the cornwall ones on. And these ones. Get your feet down, you lazy. You lose a shoe over there. I ain't going to stop again.
Even on the box.
You were only meant to pay for you two.
You paid for everybody apart from because me and Dad were it's £1.50 each. So I just had to pay the extra £1.
We are lucky because all our,
Dad know what those things is.
all our beaches are full of sand. All our beaches are only sandy.
And what?
Huh?
Oh, so we're lucky.
Yeah.
We have sandy beaches rather than stony beaches.
Yeah. And we can walk far out in our beaches. Whereas if they walk out as far as we do at Bazon, they'll all be
Swept away.
swept out to the current.
Are they only allowed to go as far as the things?
Probably.
I'm keeping a little kayak over there. That one with the rubber ring is getting quite far out there.
That beach. Do that beach. Oh yeah.
Coffee.
Could have got some coffee.
Oh.
Just ordered some really
Surely your dad must be missing
Could have
his
ordered some
Costa
coffee.
right now. Right, just leave it, Ray. Leave it. Leave.
I got it. Now what?
some sand down there. Look, they got a little bit of sand.
Oh yeah. Oh, this is as far as it goes.
People that sit on the sand are like, oh my god, we've got some sand. This is amazing.
Oh, we're lucky to get this patch with the sand.
We have all got to get up. We have all got to get up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. Okay, last stop. Beep, 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 beep.
Let's come out.
Come here. Come on, mate. You know how to undo it. It's undone. Undo it properly.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, mate.
Right, and
We're
put
back.
it back on, please. Good job.
Cheers, mate.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Oh, boys, thank you.
We've got my hand finally.